Good afternoon, everybody. So as you can see, this afternoon I'm down here at the Kent Chamber of Commerce headquarters in Ashford. What an amazing looking building. I bet when it's a blue sky you can't see it, it's invisible. It's been a really good afternoon. I've been down here for the general meeting, the annual general meeting. There's been some fantastic speakers talking about generations and how different generations have different working styles and different expectations. It's such a true subject and a subject so true to my heart. If you want to know more about that kind of stuff, I happen to have an episode on the Everceline podcast dedicated to that with Danilo Magari, which I recorded last year. So go and check that out on all podcast platforms or at everceline.com. Now, the reason I'm telling you about this wonderful venue, because this just so happens to be where I'm also running my Lean Thinking 5S workshop on the 19th of March. And it's going to be from this wonderful venue in a room just inside there. Great parking facilities as well, look, so you can drive down, you can come down and learn all about 5S. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you've been doing lean for a long time, 10 minutes, half an hour, whatever, it's a great opportunity to meet some new people and develop some skills as well using Lego. 19th of March, I'll stick a link down below where you can go and have a read a bit more and you can register for the event. Anyway, have a lovely weekend. I'm going to get home, I'm going to do a coffee review. Look out for that.